So this is the WOLFBOX G850. It is shipped in this box. It just has a clear shield over it. It gets shipped like that. Let's see if I can open it one-handed and show you guys what's all included here. Oh, it looks like it opened from the top, so I opened it upside down. It's fine. If you would have opened it the right way, it would have looked like this. You would have come into the mirror on top, and then you've got all the wiring right here. A couple of gasket things. I don't really know what those are for. A GPS thing. Clips for wires. More gaskets. That's the mount for the rear camera, and this is the rear camera in here. And this is a source for power. So yeah, this is what the mirror is going to look like. You can use this. I'm probably going to take it apart and hardwire it, but you can use that. It comes with a couple of options for mounting the rear camera. This is with everything plugged in on top of the mirror. Looks like there's a lot of wire for the rear camera. See if it will reach to the back of my Excursion. And then the rear camera needs a separate power source, I imagine. I have not looked at the directions at all, but it looks like this is a red cable, so I would imagine it needs power. So anyway, that's what you are getting with this WOLFBOX, and yeah, should be a nice setup.